Hi everyone, it's good to have you back here. In this video, I share how I celebrated my birthday, my gift unboxing, cooking, and decoration tips that you can learn from. In my last video, I shared the things you should do on your birthday, but I had this video recorded on my birthday and decided to share.
So we went to Leeds and we had so much fun, right? We did the pictures, we had lunch, and today I decided to make fried rice. I'm gonna share how I did the fried rice in this video, the step to step on how I did the fried rice. Very easy, all by myself. The kids got back from school and they got me these lovely cards and this beautiful gift. And I have another massive gift from my husband. I decided I was gonna unbox this in front of the video. I'm not sure what is inside, guys, and I can't wait to see. Look at that. I don't know what's in. Just stay tuned and we're gonna unbox that together. So I'm gonna start with the card from my husband. So it reads, "Wife, loving you is the easiest thing I do each day." Wow, amazing. Hope your birthday is everything you're hoping for and more, with lots of love. From my sweetheart. And then from the children, oh, you're just gonna be displayed here. In this video, I'm gonna share how I did the decorations on top. I'll show you how to set up the balloon, how you can actually plan your party yourself and nail it. So going over to that from my children. Oh, this is so lovely. You can't help but love this. Look at this. Oh, this is so nice. For a special mom, lazy days, fun days, bright and sunny days. And that is what it is. You know, for mothers, it's a combination of everything. And I feel so blessed and grateful to this for giving me the husband he has given to me and the lovely children that God has blessed me with. They are the ones that keep me going, right? So I'm gonna read this out. Oh my wow. Just know that when I keep you awake all night and when I play all day and refuse to finish my food, I am only telling you I love you. Yes, I love you, Obina. I love you too. I love you, Mom. That's from my little boy. I love you, Mom. Wishing you a happy birthday from my darling Abby. And happy birthday, Mom, with lots of love from my big girl Zizi. Thank you, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come give Mommy a big hug.
At this point, my baby was already disturbing and all over the place. I had to take the sound down because he was crying. Like I said in my previous video, you don't have to break the bank to celebrate your birthday. You can actually plan something in-house and small, and you'll be happy you did. Hobby took the kids to the shop to get them these
This is so
items.
lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate this, guys. So let me go over to the main business of the day. Which is this super gift that I can't wait to see what's inside. Oh my word. Surprise, surprise. Let's see what we got here.
So I used this part in my previous video, and I'm hoping I won't get a reused content query from YouTube. I was super excited. Look at this, guys. It was a Ninja blender. So apparently, Hobby knows I've always wanted this blender. Sometimes I'll be like, Bucci Mix or Ninja, which one should I go for? Not so expensive, but then it gives you the same output and the quality of things you need. Now I'm super excited. Like, what? I didn't see it coming.
Happy birthday to me. Mwah. Coming like a horse of daddy. Oh, sweet, this is so nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So I'm gonna light my candle. Just one candle, right? Because you know how old I am. I put that number of candles up here. So just a candle to say I'm +1 today, right? To everybody that has wished me happy birthday, I say thank you. May God give you reasons to celebrate as well. I really appreciate you all. And to myself, I say blessed birthday, many more years to come, happiness, good health, the grace to take care of my family, to raise my children the godly way, that at the end of the day, at the end of my years, when I grow old, I'll look back and be happy with everything I have done. I'll be a proud mom and a proud wife, and a proud sister and a proud friend to you all too. Happy birthday to me.
And that was how we ended the day with eating and dancing. Trust my girls to always dance as usual. And they said mommy asked people to guess the song since we can't use it due to copyright violations. So here we come with the decoration tip I mentioned, how to put your balloons up on the roof without using helium. All you need to do is pump your regular air into the balloon. Okay, so I'm not sure what air is irregular. Always in a hurry. So you tie your knot your balloons as usual. Then you fasten the ribbon to it. This I got these balloons from Amazon because I was gonna order from Shein, but the timing was short. They were taking too long to deliver this Christmas period, so I couldn't wait for the time. This particular ribbon is already twisted, so you don't need to use the scissors to twist the tips. You fasten it to your balloon tightly. You don't want it coming off while your party is on. The one I got this time doesn't have the sequins sticking to the balloon, but the one I used for my husband, you can see the blue balloon has the sequins sticking around it, but it still came out beautifully well. Then you get these glue dots. The glue dots comes with the side of the balloon. So as you order for your balloon, make sure it comes with the glue dots. Stick it to the tip of your balloon and press it slightly hard to your roof. You don't want it popping when you've not used it. And that's it, guys. Just add a few. I got just 4 to the roof, and it adds color to your party area. So same thing goes to the balloons you want on your wall. Stick the glue dots to the side that it's going to the wall, stick it to the wall, and it stays. You can actually use 2 or more glue dots for a firmer hold. For your tables, you really don't have to do much. If you don't have a table cover, as long as your table is clean and fine, it's perfect. Just get the few things you have at home: decorations, flowers, all the food and drinks you want to share on your day. Display them on the table. And that's it, guys. But if you need a professional touch like mine, then you can consult me. So the rest of the video is just the cooking, how I made my fried rice. Really nice. You can learn from it as well. It's my favorite food and I couldn't help but make it on my birthday. You know what I'm saying?